Hi, I'm Matthew, and today we're going to do a shave video. Real quick, I'm going to wet my face. Well, it's another great day for a shave. Yesterday, I tried to use the Ender's Speed Razor, and so today, I'm going to say it's try it again Thursday. Probably should have been Tuesday, but yeah, so originally I wanted to use the original blade that came with it just to give it a shot, and I didn't want to tear up the blade or make the shim out of a new razor blade without trying it first. And so here's my shim, or not shim, but adapter. And so I'm going to be using the Persona blade. And so we're just going to, hopefully this razor will redeem itself and prove to be a worthy razor. There you go. All right, so it's just going to slide right in there, just like previously. May not hear the click. If I can get it lined up in there. Seems like these injector blades are just a little tight for it for some reason. All right, there we go. Beautiful. All right, there's my injector blade in there. And today's shave soap is going to be by Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements, and this is the Enigma Machine. This is a wild strawberry and oud. It is a great scent. I've been using this for a little while. I already have it whipped up in my Captain's Choice copper bowl. No pre-shave. We're just going to get straight to the shave. I know my shaves seem to be getting a little quicker. I don't know if I've just been, you know, skipping over some things or talking too fast. So today I'm going to slow down a little bit. Just messing with you guys. All right, so let's go ahead and get lathered up here. And this is a nice scent. It's not, you know, overpowering. It's mild. This is the CK1 version, and I'm using my trusty Omega Boar brush. Already have everything loaded up. You saw that. Let's warm up the razor, and let's hope that it shaves better. All right, here we go. I may even have to, oh, that is night and day. Night and day, I say. So much smoother. I got a little mole there. If I don't shave it, the hair grows and let you know I'm an old man. Oh yeah. Only one day's worth of growth. I don't think that's really going to make too much of a difference. But you can probably even hear it is a smoother shave. Okay, I'm feeling better about the shave. Yep. All right, well. Here's my trouble area. No problem. So let me know in the comments below, what is your favorite injector blade? I know there's a couple different ones out there. And I've tried a few. The only real, let's see, what am I going to say here? The razor that I find that works well for me is just the original Schick injector, the adjustable. I've tried a few other injector style razors, and they just didn't really work. And so that's one reason why I had been looking around trying to find one of these Ender's speed razors, because I thought maybe it has something to offer that the other ones don't. And so if you know anyone looking for like the supply razor, I have the original stainless steel one and I polished it, and so it looks really nice. And I do have the open comb plate option for it, but that one is a alloy head. They didn't offer it in the stainless steel, so oh well. And it may just be a razor that just sits in a box somewhere. Maybe I'll give it away if no one purchases it. But okay, let's go across the grain. Got a little close there. Ooh. Told you I can't see with my eyes. Oh yeah, that's very smooth. Yeah, one of the things that I was drawn to on this razor is that it's that semi-open comb. And you guys know I like open comb, so. Checking the time. All right. All right, I'm going to get cleaned up with some cold water, and I'll be right back. All right, and we're going to follow that up with the ice cube. You know, I was really surprised that I did not get any irritation when I used that yesterday. I thought that I was going to get some right around the neck area, but I did not. So we're going to go ahead and use my Lancaster black sheep towel. How do you like using that? I always say we. All right, and I do have the matching aftershave splash, and this has the new restrictor in it, and I still haven't gotten used to compared to the old ones. So we'll just shake, shake, shake. Oh, that's nice. And I need some menthol, so I'm going to use a little bit of the Frostbite. Nice. Very smooth. Yeah. Definitely not baby butt smooth, because I don't chase that. Let's see here. What do I want to say? Oh, yes. I will put a picture right here of everything that I used today, and I will see you guys on Sunday Shave. You have a great rest of your week.